Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Professor Sweet Strong Coffee Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you add in the strong coffee halfway, and then get 2 sugars. And then go ahead and you put in 2 of them in here. The cane sugar, and you stir it all up. And last but not least, you open up this can of Blackberry Hibiscus sparkling water, and you fill it halfway into this mug. Tastes not bad. And there you go, folks. Here is your Carbonated Professor Sweet Strong Coffee Blackberry Hibiscus. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.